Welcome to Mrs. Anderson's Nutrition and the fourth episode of the Gut Microbiome series, The Body and Mind Impact. It's easy to understand how gut microbiome issues alter our overall gut health, but the real key to understanding the gut-brain axis is seeing how our gut health influences our overall health, including areas not directly located around the GI tract. The gut biome has been found to influence digestion, health, cognition, and mental health. So first, let's talk about an altered gut biome. Dysbiosis is an unhealthy gut, and it can lead to the body's inability to maintain homeostasis, which is the state of internal, physical, and chemical conditions that is actually preferred by our body. Dysbiosis is caused by a reduction of good bacteria, an increase in bad bacteria, or a general lack of bacterial diversity. Focusing on digestion, one way the gut bacteria influences digestion is with satiety and fullness cues. Our bodies regulate our appetite and our food intake with hormones. Basically, when we ingest food, the presence of nutrients in our GI tract and the bacteria in our gut initiate our neural and hormonal responses. Another way gut bacteria aids in digestion is by breaking down food particles that humans are otherwise incapable of digesting. The bacteria allow us to access even more nutrients. Now let's look at our overall health. Every year, new research arrives connecting our health to the gut biome in some way. Not only do bacteria help us access vitamins and amino acids necessary for maintaining health, but they are integral in developing and strengthening our immune system as they are found at the same sites as immune cells. Gut bacteria promote production of short-chain fatty acids that regulate our mucosal immune responses, protecting us from infection. The gut biome also increases production of neurotransmitters, or chemical messengers, that play an important role in how we respond to stress. And gut bacteria break down substances that are foreign to the body so they don't hurt us. Now let's talk about cognition. The gut biome is involved in practically every decision made within our body, and this is especially true of the gut biome's influence on the nervous system. The central nervous system is responsible for our voluntary actions like walking, talking, and reading, while the peripheral nervous system is responsible for involuntary actions like our heartbeat and digestion. It is the gut bacteria that regulate numerous voluntary and involuntary functions. The biome is also directly connected to making serotonin, which impacts our ability to think, learn, and remember. Now, it's important to mention that an altered gut can lead to a loss of gut barrier integrity. And this means that gut bacteria can actually escape into areas of the body that are not equipped to handle a bacterial population. This can lead to infection, and these specific types of infection can result in the progression and development of neurological diseases. Next, let's look at mental health. So much of our mental health is connected to our body's stress responses and our stress resilience, which is our ability to choose responses to situations that can benefit us in the long term. Depression can be viewed as a stress-related mood disorder. It is often associated with a disrupted HPA axis, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. This is a complex set of feedback interactions that are based on stimuli. Individuals with depression show changes in the gut microbiota diversity. Anxiety disorders are also associated with an HPA axis disruption and changes in the gut biome population, both of which are linked to brain development and plasticity, which can alter motor functions, anxiety symptoms, and social behaviors. Lastly, the gut biome shows some control over neurotransmitters that deliver messages to our brain. GABA decreases nervous system activity, dopamine is connected to pleasure, and noradrenaline is connected to fear. All three are influenced by the biome. And that about does it for the Body and Mind Impact. Come back next time to learn how to include more gut biome-friendly foods into our meals. You can find a companion blog with more info and references linked below. Thanks so much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and have a great day.